is a little cockeyed. So I got a boo-boo. 3, 2, 1. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video on, my $1,000 Mercedes S420. She's looking better and better every day. Today, though, we are going to solve a problem that has been driving me crazy. We might even fix 2 or 3 other problems. But first up, this girl is a little cockeyed. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? Right, it looks like snow. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
I really can't tell you how proud I am of the way she is coming together. Look at this. She is looking so beautiful. Each and every day she just gets more and more beautiful. That is until you get to about right here. Yeah, this is what makes her a little cockeyed. We have an issue right here. We have a flat tire. Thank goodness we have that Yon2 tire inflator. We'll fix that. And we're going to fix this because I got a package in the mail and we're going to put it on. Today, we're going to give her an eye lift. Okay, removing these things is super easy. Just a couple of little tools. You have a 10mm nut that holds this thing on right here. So I usually just get a little screwdriver, pop that out just like this. 10mm. There it is. We're going the wrong way. And a quick little boop, and here she comes. All right, this comes off. You have a Phillips head screwdriver right here, and then this little eyebrow piece, the bottom eyebrow is what I call it, will come out. And then you can get to the good stuff. Come on, little girl. Don't embarrass me. Okay, there's that. This will pop out. Just like that. And this usually will just kind of pop out like this. This part right here has 2 little arms. Sometimes that gets a little difficult, so sometimes it needs a little persuasion. Take out your turn signal, which you just kind of squeeze together right here, and this pops out. I'll show you what I'm squeezing. Okay. I don't even know if these things work. There's your turn signal. This is what you squeeze. Boop, 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 boop. Squeeze that. Now you have access to an 8mm here. You have, they've changed it a little bit. Okay, you have a screw right here and 2 8mm here. And usually there's one back here that is oh so much fun to get. All right, so we'll get these off and then we'll show you the new one and we'll put the new one on. Enjoy some music right here. As the birds sing us through this next chapter of our work here on the S420. Ha-ha! Time to transfer parts. New to me, super old and crappy. That's not a, is that a, okay, that's just gross. Okay. I thought it had a hole in it. I got this on the eBay website, and I'll give it a nice little cleaning. But I think it was like 60 bucks, so you can't go wrong with that. And I don't have the back covers, but a lot of this stuff you transfer from here to here. So to get this piece off, once again, all you do is remove the 10mm. I'm trying not to scratch my car. There it is. This is not held on very tight. We'll compare windshield wipers and see which one is better. Okay, so the other one is attached to the part of the fender that goes right under here, and that's why it was difficult to get off. So I'm going to leave that unattached until we are ready to pursue other opportunities. Okay, here's the new, excuse me, and the old. Thankfully, I got these covers. Well, okay, that's good. I just need to reuse this light. I probably end up getting new lights anyway, but I don't even know if this light is good. We have her all installed, and I got a boo-boo. Anyway, turning this ring was a real PITA, but we got it done. I wore some gloves actually, and I still went through the skin. But this is attached. We will put our little cover on. I had to bring out another one just to kind of get a view. The one that was cracked. I still have a third, but it was the wrong. Anyway, there we go. Look at that. And we have one new to us, beautiful headlight. All right, you want to see something pretty? You want to see something gorgeous? There it is. Look at that. Yep, it matches perfectly. Imagine that. Yeah, so job well done. We did it, Lola. We did good, didn't we? You were sleeping and stretching the whole time. I'll still give you credit. You gonna shake your little nub? Shake your nub. There you go. Looks beautiful. And I'm loving this right here. So everything's back together perfectly. We get to move on to our next project. All right, what we've got right here is a failure to communicate. No, this is the speaker wire. Lola, please just, okay, you've been so pesky today. All right, I know. You love it every time I start talking. You have to come get on camera. So let me just do this, okay? And I'll play with you later, okay? You got to go. You got to go. You got to go. You got to go right now. Anyway, this is the problem. This is why the door opens way too much. It's called a door check or a door stop. See? It's not stopping the door. And if I go far enough, it's going to bend part of the door. The lip's going to go way too far. This is history, and this is actually kind of bent. So we had to remove the door panel. I've done 1,000 videos showing you how to do that. And then we just have to kind of reach in here, and it unscrews here, 2 little tins, and you can access it through this part. I don't want to get on the dirt, so I guess we're going to go through here. This has never been off, okay, which is amazing to me. Usually this is missing and it's all beat up with like a trash sack or something is what they used. Okay. We might have enough access now. Oh gosh, this isn't even tight. Is this one? Kind of. Then there's a little pin under this rubber thing right here that we got to remove. This just comes off. And I'll show you the pin. There's your pin. There's a little C-clamp. Ouch. Right there. Pin goes up. Brought my persuader. There you go. Here it is. And there's a little rubber washer you want to catch as well that kind of keeps it in place. Oh, that's a hot mess. Here's the washer. This. I don't know what we're going to fish out of here, but let's see. Oh my gosh. There's your old cover. This is where I should have gloves on. There it is. There's a piece of it. There it is. It came out in pieces. Let me show you what the new one looks like, because it's amazing. This is a mess. All right, remember the 3 pieces that came out, the cover, the base, and the arm? That's what it looks like going in. So we're still missing a screw that should be, where'd it go? Oh, it's right here. it just fell behind. Great, I get to go spelunking again. Anyway, this is how it works. It sets against the door. This screws in here. These two things screw in here. This goes in here, and it gives you little stopping points. Yeah, to work the door so it doesn't swing too far back. All right, we're back with the miniature persuader. That was the most difficult ever. All right, C-clamp. And there it is. That is how you fix a door check. Now watch. See? It stops. Perfect. Feels good, looks good. I love it, I love it, I love it. Well, after 30 minutes, she's back together. And yes, I put this on and forgot the rubber little stopper thing here. I put all this on and then forgot about that. So I had to take it off. Just a pin. But it looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks good. Okay, now get ready for a bonus scene. You guys are not going to believe what just happened. Guess what just happened? Doorbell rang, and we got ourselves a new, to us, throttle body. This is the problem for the car. This is why the car, yeah, and it won't go. This is the answer. If this is good, this is the answer. So all we have to do to remove this, to put this on, is to take off the mass airflow sensor. We have 4 bolts, a little rubber thing right here, and it bolts right in. And even, look at this. They kept the gasket. That gasket is still good. So I'm going to bolt this in, say a little prayer, give her a start, and I hope she works perfectly. $45. Amazing price for a throttle body. Came from South Carolina. Yeah, really quickly too. So dude from South Carolina on eBay, thank you very, very much. We'll get this installed and then I'll show you guys just how nice this car is going to run. A little more cleaning to do, but we'll get it in. Okay, very quickly, let's just show you where the throttle body lives. That's it right there. And yes, I've replaced a couple of the vacuum lines because they're kind of hard to fish through there when the throttle body and the mass airflow sensor is there. So she's ready for the gasket. She's ready for the throttle body. The little boot right there. The mass airflow sensor right there. Connect this and an electrical connector. That one's for the MAF, and we will get this all back together, and then she's going to start and sound beautiful. Are you ready for one of the smoothest sounding engines you have ever heard? I know I still got to put the cover on, but the new throttle body, new to us throttle body, is attached. Mass airflow sensor is attached. I've got mood lighting right here so you can see the goodness, and we're going to give her a start. And she is going to be magnificent as I realize this power steering hose is woo, about to go. Okay, anyway, another project, another day. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. She's got to get used to the new throttle body. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Can you hear that? Can you hear ticking? No. Can you hear no. Can you hear a power steering pump that needs fluid? Yes. But look at that. Oh yeah. She sounds so good. Okay, I hear a little bit of ticking. And I know everybody said I should have replaced all of the camshaft oil tubes. I should have, but that was $400 and I got 5 other cars that need money from me. So if she proves herself worthy, like I've said, if she does prove herself worthy, then we will replace all of them. It's not a hard job. But that's a huge difference. That sounds so good. Oh my goodness. Creak? She creaks like me. Anyway, what do you think? Yeah, she is coming back to life. Indubitably, She looks so good. She sounds so good. Still got to work on the cat, the rattling cat. But other than that, I'm so happy. This is the best $1,000 I think that I've spent in a long time. Yeah, I think so. Doesn't need a transmission, doesn't need anything major. This is stuff you can do at home with just minimal tools, and she sounds phenomenal. Yes, so fantastic. Thank you very much. We need to come up with a name for her. Yeah, Big White Benz. Biggie White? Biggie White. I kind of like that for Betty White. Biggie White. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We're going to hit 40,000 very, very soon, and we're going to keep going from there, 50, 60, and beyond. Okay, we'll see you in another video very, very soon. All right, bye-bye.